friends, my name is Sandhya Dimbar. Today's video topic is SQL command. SQL command are instruction. It is used to communicate with the database. It is also used to perform specific tasks, functions, and queries of a data. SQL can perform various tasks like create table, add data to table, drop the table, modify the table, set permission for users, etc. Uh, Types of SQL command. There are five types. There are five types of SQL command. First is a DDL, data definition language. Second is data manipulation language. Third is data control language. Fourth is data transition language, and last is a data query language. So we are discuss about in brief. First is a data definition language. The data definition language helps you to define a data structure of a structure or schema. DDL change the structure of the table, like creating table, deleting a table, altering a table, etc. All command DDL is a auto committed. That means it is permanently save all the changes in the database. Here are some commands to come under DDL. First is a create, first is a create, second is a alter, third is a drop, and fourth is a turn cat. First is a create statement is used to define first is a create statement is used to define database structure and schema. Then next is a alter. Then next is a drop command. Drop command is use remove tables and database from RDBMS. Then third is a alter. Alter command allows to alter the structure of database. Then next command is a turn cat. Turn cat is a command used to delete all rows from the table and free the space containing the table. Then next point is a data manipulation language. Data manipulation language. DML command are used to modify the database. It is responsible for the all of changes in the database. The command of DDL is not auto committed. That means it can't permanently save of the changes in the database. They can roll back. There are some commands to come under the DML. First is a insert command. Second is a update command. Third is a delete command. So we are discuss about insert command. Insert command is used to insert the data in the row of the table. Then next is update. Update is this command is used to update or modify the value of the column in the table. Then next is a delete. Delete command used to remove one or more rows from the table. Then third point is a data control language. DCL command are used to grant and take back authority from any database user. Here are some commands that come under DCL. First is a grant and second is a revoke. Grant command, it is used to access privileges to the database. Then revoke, it is used to back permission from the user. Then fourth point is a transactions control language. TCL command can only used with DML commands like insert, delete, and update only. The operation are is automatically committed in the database. That's why The cannot be used while creating the tables or dropping the them. There are some commands in under TCL. First is a commit, second is a rollback, and third is a save point. There are all about SQL commands. Thank you.